Number 15, twerking chicken. The twerking chicken tries to give you a boner until your balls bust. Here he is doing the fuckle knuckle. The fuckle knuckle is his ultimate move. Right here, he's doing the foghorn goggle on. The foghorn goggle on will also make your boner fall off. But not only that, he also does this move to try and make you just fuck him. I'd say if I see that damn thing in my kitchen, I'd fuck it till it wasn't just a fucking white thing.